Today, I want to talk about restorative divorce and how restorative justice circles enhance client-focused mediation. Restorative justice circles have gained traction as a powerful method of alternative dispute resolution, rooted in deep traditions, and it has evolved into addressing modern-day conflicts. So as a former restorative justice instructor at Aurora University, and now a mediator focusing on holistic, client-centered solutions, I have witnessed firsthand the transformative power of this process. My experiences have enriched my unique approach in client-focused mediation sessions, which form a cornerstone of the restorative divorce method that I offer. So we're going to focus on the core of restorative justice circles to give you some background. Restorative justice circles bring together all parties impacted by a conflict or wrongdoing, emphasizing communal healing and shared responsibility. Participants, whether they are parties directly involved, family members, or community representatives, they convene in a structured, facilitated setting to express their perspectives and to work collaboratively towards reconciliation. This approach, inspired by Indigenous traditions in North America and elsewhere, promotes a non-hierarchical, consensus-driven model that values equality, voice, and accountability. Unlike traditional systems that often focus on punishment, restorative justice circles prioritize repairing the relationships and empowering participants to take collective ownership of outcomes. Facilitators play a crucial role in maintaining the circle's focus and ensuring respectful dialogue. The process itself is deeply participatory, as every attendee must come to a resolution that they can, quote unquote, live with. It helps foster long-term commitment to the agreements that are reached in the circle. While teaching restorative justice at Aurora University, I had the opportunity to engage with students on the practicalities of setting up and facilitating these circles. I also experienced this in some of my juvenile volunteer work that I did in the juvenile diversion programs. This experience honed my skills in guiding groups toward constructive dialogue and in understanding the nuances of interpersonal dynamics. It became clear that a successful circle requires more than just structured discussion. It demands a facilitator's deep commitment to impartiality and an understanding of the emotional undercurrents that influence each participant. My teaching role emphasized the importance of preparing all parties before entering the circle, ensuring they felt heard, validated, and ready to contribute productively. This pre-circle preparation is crucial as it establishes trust and sets the stage for genuine interaction during the session. In my current mediation practice, which is central to restorative divorce methods, the principles of restorative justice are interwoven to create a process that helps families navigate divorce in a way that prioritizes healing and the future well-being of all involved. Restorative circles and mediation share the foundational belief that empowering individuals to take an active role in resolving their conflicts can lead to a more sustainable and satisfying outcome. While mediation typically involves structured negotiation with an impartial mediator facilitating between the parties, incorporating restorative justice techniques allows me to approach these sessions with enhanced empathy and strategic insight. For example, understanding that people need to feel heard and validated aligns perfectly with the restorative circle's principles of an equal voice. In practice, this means I facilitate sessions where clients are encouraged to express not just their goals, but also their concerns, fears, and emotions, fostering an environment where solutions are born out of mutual respect and understanding. The restorative divorce process that I offer stands apart from traditional litigation and even standard mediation due to its focus on long-term healing rather than immediate wins. My method is designed for those who seek more than just an end of their marriage. They seek a better, conflict-minimized future where co-parenting can flourish and individual growth is nurtured. Clients who choose restorative divorce are opting into a process that uses elements of restorative justice to shift the focus from blame to collective problem solving. They understand that this approach emphasizes cooperative strategies and agreements that everyone can agree on, ensuring that post-divorce relationships, especially those involving children, remain as positive as possible. In cases where discussions become particularly sensitive or emotionally charged, my background in restorative justice circles becomes invaluable. I create a safe space for open dialogue, drawing on my experience as an instructor and a teacher to manage these complex dynamics effectively. Restorative circles have shown their effectiveness not only in criminal justice systems, but also in schools, workplaces, and community settings. Their adaptability proves that people, given the right tools and a compassionate environment, can resolve conflicts constructively. By integrating these principles into divorce mediation, I provide a unique path for clients who wish to transition from their current challenges to a more peaceful future. This process is particularly meaningful for those who value maintaining a sense of dignity and mutual respect, even when emotions are high. The goal is not just to reach an agreement, but to craft solutions that everybody can again, quote unquote, live with and uphold, echoing the restorative circle's core tenet. Choosing a restorative divorce means choosing a future-focused, respectful approach to separation, one that aligns with my commitment to mediation as a process for empowerment and positive change. Are you facing the complexities of divorce or a separation and searching for a path that prioritizes healing, respect, and a brighter future? At Birt Family Law, we invite you to step away from the high conflict, the traditional litigation approach, and let us guide you through a process designed for constructive dialogue and mutual resolution. With our restorative divorce method, we focus on empowering you to take control of your outcomes, preserving your dignity, and fostering a cooperative environment for you and your family. Choose a divorce process that works for you, not against you. Reach out today to discover how our client-centered service can support you in building a foundation for a more peaceful future. You can contact us today online or give us a call, 630-891-2478.